Hi friends, welcome to a new video. Today, I'll show you how to create and start trading your own meme coin on the Solana network using a new profitable strategy. People will buy your meme token even without any marketing. All the purchases will be organic. All you need to do is simply launch a meme coin. Of course, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice or a call to action. This method appeared very recently. I don't know how long it will stay profitable, but for now it works, and it will likely continue to work for a while. Right now, I'll show you how developers launch meme coins using the so-called golden method and earn thousands of dollars per day. We'll need one website. I'll leave the link in the description. This platform includes a unique feature not found in other similar services yet, though it's already open source on GitHub. I think other platforms will add it within a few weeks. Many people use Pump.Fun to launch meme coins, but it's no longer effective. Just look at how many tokens are on there. It's not a great option anymore. Meme coins launched on Pump.Fun no longer bring profit to creators, so we're not using it. We'll launch a token directly, and it will instantly show up on DEXScreener. First, I open DEXScreener and choose a random trending meme coin. I copy its name, symbol, and image. Then I create my own token. For example, 1 billion tokens, though the exact number doesn't matter. I add any description, funny or detailed. Now for the most important part, the new feature. We can replace the token creator's wallet with a different one. Yes, this metadata is editable in the smart contract, but you'll still be the real owner of the meme token. Let me explain why this matters. There are services that show token info, and hundreds of thousands of traders, buyers, and sniper bots follow them. They always check who the creator is. So we look for a wallet with a lot of Solana. Our goal is to launch a meme token with low liquidity, like 1 Sol. That way it gets picked up by token trackers. People will see that the creator's wallet has a high Solana balance. They'll assume he's added low liquidity on purpose so that friends or influencers can buy in cheap. And later he'll add more, sending the meme coin to the moon. Many developers really do this. That's why traders and bots are constantly scanning for such meme coins. And today, we'll pretend that our meme token is one of them. Here's a great example. Someone launched a token with low liquidity but linked it to a large wallet. People had 20 minutes to buy cheap, and then the chart exploded. We're going to recreate that today. I found a wallet with a lot of Solana, copied its address, and pasted it in. I also copied social media links from another meme coin and added them. This helps build trust. To get the token listed on DEXScreener, you need to create a liquidity pool. You can do it through PumpSwap, a feature from Pump.Fun, on Radium, or right on the same site. Just select how much Solana and how many tokens to add. Don't worry, you can always withdraw the liquidity later, which we'll do after traders buy in. I'm adding 3 Sol. That's optimal, though 1 Sol also works. In my experience, 3 Sol performs better, but 1 is enough. I'll add 90% of the token supply to the pool. If we minted 1 billion tokens, then 900 million go into liquidity. I set a 2% fee, paste my wallet, and that wallet receives the tokens. Click Launch Token, confirm the transaction, then check transaction, and boom, here's the token address. Copy it, go to DEXScreener, paste it, and boom, our token is live. Sniper bots are already buying, but we wait a bit for real traders to join in. Note, DEXScreener shows doubled liquidity because it counts both assets in the pair, including our token. First buy is in. Now we simply monitor trading. Right now, trading memecoins is actually fun. Tokens on Solana are trending again, and golden launch tricks like this one are working. But in a bull run, strategies come and go fast. If you find a working method, use it as soon as possible. Now I'll skip ahead and show you what happened after 15 minutes. Sniper bots were buying $100 per transaction. If I removed liquidity now, I'd get around 10 Sol. That's solid profit. Look how nicely the token is pumping. You can open your portfolio, see your current gains, and if you want to take out your liquidity, just choose Remove Liquidity. Set it to 100% and confirm. The funds return to your wallet and the token is rug pulled. This site doesn't require any signatures. Everything runs via smart contract. But don't worry, you still control the token. Liquidity is withdrawn, the rug pull is complete, and we can now see the token on DEXScreener. In crypto trading, many meme coins on Solana can still bring profits to buyers, even if the developer eventually executes rug pulls, as long as the token looks legit and is launched smartly. That's why traders still buy into this kind of meme coin. And don't worry if some projects turn out to be rug pulls. In this video, we made a token that looks exactly like the ones bots and traders search for. That's why it gained traction. As you can see, I've already launched several meme tokens using this method, and it works. Meme coins on Solana are trending again, and that means more launch tricks and opportunities are coming.